Now, the experts say that India was well reposed for that magnificent win. Here's Ravi Shastri.
It was unbelievable. You know, there was a sense of happiness, respect, feeling proud of 15 individuals who gelled as a team and then came out there and won a World Cup. It was an awesome feeling. 83 was great, 85 was very similar. And then something, you know, and it was almost a subconscious mind that told me before the event that this is going to happen. And UV is going to be the man of the series for picking up 4 man of the matches. The pressure on the players winning this one as opposed to 83 and to an extent 85 was much, much higher. I won't say one win's bigger than the other, but pressure-wise on an individual, this was huge. You know, 1 billion people, expectations, you've not won a World Cup for 28 years when you have tremendous talent in your team. And to go out there and deliver the way they did was simply outstanding. I mean, even yesterday, he was so humble, you know, at the presentation. You know, when I, needled him and asked him, a nice way to shut people up. And he said, Ravi, that'll be rude. It was a terrific gesture. I know what I would have done, after a performance like that. But the fact of the matter is, he's tough. He took it on himself, that 2 off-spinners bowling. It didn't matter whether it was a right-hand, left-hand batting combination. He was one step ahead. He said, 2 off-spinners bowling. I will go out there and, get things right. What it does is the message to the opposition is that, listen here, I'm out here for a scrap. To hell with what I've done in the innings earlier. Let me get, settled for 10 minutes and I'll show you who I am. To win a World Cup, you need someone who's an all-rounder who will perform in both departments. And I can only see him doing that job. And for that to happen, he needs to bowl 10 overs in every game, 8 or 10 overs. And what it did, that bowling, it started, reflecting on his batting. So even if he had lost a little bit of confidence, he was not sure about the way he was hitting the ball. By taking wickets early on, he started, finding his rhythm with the bat as well. And the best thing about Yuvraj in this tournament for me was the maturity he showed when he batted and a measured approach. And one of his biggest goals should be to take that number 5 or 6 position in the Indian Test side. That is the challenge that lies ahead of Yuvraj. And it's not beyond him. He must have saved about 10 runs in the first 40 minutes of the final. To hell with the 100 at Lords, to hell with the series win in Australia. You gave him choice, what is the most important? He'll say that medal he got yesterday. That was one thing missing. And for a career such as his, which is, can't be compared with anyone else's, to end in that fashion, it was like a swan song. Home ground. India winning the World Cup, ideally you would have liked to get a bigger score, but to finish off with that gold medal, I think is, something else. It's the final thing that he wanted, and he got it. And, when the team did the round around the ground, after that he was, walking with his 2 kids, and, I met and shook hands, and we gave each other a hug. You could just see the guy, everything was coming out. He's saying, this is the moment I'd waited for. To hell with all those hundreds, everything, but this is something I'll always treasure. Yesterday when he came to take that medal, when I announced his name and said, great player, and he walked up, there was a huge row. When he picked up that medal from Haroon Logat, I could lip read, from the distance I was standing, and he said, this is what I wanted. This is what I've waited for. So, it's the biggest moment of his career in spite of all the spectacular stuff you've done. And, what they've all shown is that they've gelled as a team and lifted this World Cup. It's not one individual lifting up the World Cup. They've combined as 11.